Giselle here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I would like to explain to you how to use the Facecam together at the same time with the screen recording by this application. And I really appreciate by this application that which is easy for me to use. As at the same time you can do the download as directly, and then you can use when you want to make a consistency download it in your YouTube channel. So this is the one application I show you guys. Okay, hi. So you can see me from here. Okay, so together with the screen, you can choose from here screen and the camera. You can use also screen only, and then you can use the camera only. So here, okay, I'm going to start now. Here, I am going to delete this one so that I can here. Okay, share. I am here. Okay, so here easy for you to make. Okay, so you can see that I already have it. So after, like for example, after, okay, this is my profile. Okay, so I never upgraded yet. I am using the free, so I'm using the free. You can put your profile from here. You can choose the big profile or small profile. Okay, here I updated the password. You can connect to the I connected to the Google. So here you can delete if you really do want. So integration is here. You can here build the developers, quick video of all the gift. So I connected to the Google Documents. So Hacker News, everything is connected from here. Teamwork Dropbox, GitLove, so easy for you to make also like a script. Okay, this is my plan. I already for the free trial, so I don't have payment. You can put from here like your card, then you put my email address. This is my address. Add a team if you want someone like team for you. Okay, and then the notification, like for example the browser notification, you can, okay, my video are face viewed, comments replies are in my videos, new replies to comment, my videos are finished streaming, email reaction on my videos. So you on all these things, and then you can press your videos here. Okay, so here, all is here, and then sorry, what is a drop? And then okay, you can press after you taking the video from here, you can download directly in your files. As you can see from here, you can download, you can duplicate, you can delete, or you can share to your Facebook, Twitter. Okay, you can, okay, and then edit of your videos, you can check from here. As default, you setting for all the videos, thumbnail. Okay, viewer can download and then show analytics to the viewer. Okay, you can save the settings, you can trim if you want to trim, like example, you can start. Okay, you can do like that. After done, you remove. Okay, dismiss, done already. And then you can already done. Don't become bigger already my face. For example here, you can check from here everything and the videos if you want to check. It's really easy, and then you can find here also how they using. Look at that. Okay, most of them they're used. Okay, you can use also using at the map. For example here, capturing inspiration on my website, can here using the map. Okay, so here also activity feeds, you can check from here. You can send thanks to the Loom. This application is look like the same like social media. For example, like this, become like this, and then okay, you can invite any teammates, you can add a Slack application, double check your account settings, and then you can update, you can connect with the Slack application if you have an account from that. Okay, here, so very easy, you can find from here all your videos. Example, this video. Okay, you can send your video through copy link. You can link the sharing, add the password, and then invite the people. You can put the call and action. You can custom the thumbnail, and then you can duplicate the video. It's very easy and then very convenient to use, especially you want more videos in one time to download in your YouTube channel. So you can use this if you want to do the tutorial. For example here, like this. For example here, we go back to again. Done. Okay,